In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task templates in Asana. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and ensure consistency in your project management. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you want to open your Asana dashboard and navigate to the project where you'd like to add a task template. Once you're there, you'll notice a workflow button located in the top right corner of your project screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to scroll through the menu options that appear. Look for the section labeled Task Templates. This is where all the magic happens because you can create reusable templates that save you time down the line. Once you find the Task Templates section, click on it. Next, you'll see an option to add a new template. There will be an Add button located at the top right corner. Click on this button to begin building your brand new template. This is an exciting part because you're laying the groundwork for a task that you can duplicate again and again. As you build this template, the first step is to enter a clear title for it. Make sure the title is descriptive enough so that you can easily identify what the task is about in the future. This will really help keep things organized, especially if you end up with several templates. After giving your template a title, the next step is to assign a default team member to this task. This is particularly useful if there's someone who will always be responsible for this kind of task. You might also want to set a relative due date. This means instead of a specific date, you can choose something like due in 1 week. Moving on, you should think about adding specific project alignments or tags that could help categorize your task better. This can include things like priorities, project phases, or any categories you've decided on in your team's workflow. It's also a good idea to include any necessary task dependencies. So if this task relies on another task being completed first, make sure you set that up within your template. Once you're satisfied with all these details, look for the Done button at the bottom right of the screen. Clicking this will save your new template. Congratulations, you're off to a great start. Now that you've created your task template, let's move on to using it. At the top left of your project screen, locate the Add Task button and click on the small drop-down arrow next to it. This will bring up a list of your templates, including the one you just created. Click on your new template and voila! Instantly, you have a pre-filled task ready to go. That's all there is to it. Creating task templates in Asana not only saves you time, but can also help ensure that tasks are completed consistently. Now take a moment to check your result. You've just created a workflow that can make your project management smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. Happy organizing!